What's up, everybody? Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown's Excellent Bitches. And today, we're going to be unboxing this 4-in-1 coffee maker. I got it from Kushi. Be here at the end of the month. Still a little early. I'm in my Mario pajamas still. Don't make fun of my Mario pajamas, motherfucker. You'd spoil them. Alright, here we go. Buster Brown said, I've been seeing this box for days. What is it? Set that there. Oh yeah. Set that there. That there. Now it says, this only like a little itty bitty one. Like a little 3 cup or some shit. 5 or something. Look at this fucking haircut I got yesterday. You fucking love it. Beautiful. I just want you to know. Alright, let's get this off of here. You go in there. Boom. Alright, this is what it looks like. Completely made out of plastic. But I don't know how that works. Got your little... What's it got, a thing on it? The cord, it's got like a scissor clip on it. So we will use the good old Hawk. Alright, now how do we do this? I know this goes there. I don't really fuck with coffee too much. Alright, now this is its own filter here. Wait now, hold on. How many things this got to have on it? It's saying it's 4-in-1 because it can put this shit in any, like this thing will be one thing, like a tumbler will be number 2, a fucking, I could put it in a dog bowl and it'll be number 3, you know what I'm saying? It's just whatever it puts it in. So it's basically just a coffee maker. And the only difference is this thing comes off and it either sets the pot on there or you can stick your tumbler in there. That's the only difference. I don't even know how this goes. I see something in there. Hold on. Oh, okay, it's got like a... Shit. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, it's still early. Don't fuck with me. Okay. So what do? Do we put the shit in the thing? How much we go in now? So we fill gonna fill this up right quick. We're gonna do, I don't know where I'm gonna plug it in at though. I'll have to put you on pause for the moment. Does it not come out? Well, I feel like I won't break everything. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Had to wash it out right quick. I didn't want no canola or nothing in it. Is that where I poured it at? Y'all can tell I ain't did coffee never. Okay, I see it now. Alright, that should be enough for 3 cups. That's clearly more than I'm ever drink. Alright. So I can only assume this goes here. Then I stick one of these. I mean, it's got its own joint, it looks like. But I'd rather this be easier. Looks like a cupcake joint. Where's that go, right here? Maxwell House, y'all. Ain't nothing like waking up to folders in your cup, you know what I mean? Oh man, that's 2 different joints. Shit. Never mind. Drink what you want. Woo. Oh, wow. Oh, that hit me dead in my face. No wonder drug dogs can't smell shit after smelling coffee grind. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh, I ain't got no scooper. Sakes. I don't know how much goes in here. Hold on. I'm just gonna do one. This is experimental only. Clearly I don't know what I'm doing. Is that enough? Is that too much? Y'all do coffee joints, put it in the comments if I fuck this all up. Restaurant's looking like, what is he over there doing? Let's go right there. Set that there. That goes there. That goes down. Snaps that in. Alright, put this over here right quick. I gotta figure out where to plug this in at. You know what? Oh yeah. Got it. Alright, here's what we're gonna do. I'm not gonna have y'all on there the whole time because I do not know how long this takes. Why does it look like it's leaking? It ain't leaking, is it? I'm gonna put this shit in with motherfucking wet hands. Alright. I'll leave that there. What? Turn that on. What, we just wait then? Is that what it is? Ooh, listen to it. Oh shit. Yeah, that's there. Y'all looking at my painting. I was supposed to be showing that yet. There. Alright, y'all. Starting to make some water. Not water. Starting to make some coffee. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Yeah, boy. Got my good old Charlie Brown mug I haven't used in 10 years. That's 100% fact, too. I just washed it. It's all clean now. It's got the evolution of Charlie Brown. It's gonna be awesome. That should be the thumbnail right there. I can smell it. It smells really good. Alright, everyone. Looks like it's about done. Be easy, easy. That's hot shit right there. We got it. Look at that. That's making y'all want to go make something right now. I won't fill it up too high. Burn my shit up. Set that back there just in case. Alright. Alright, let's go. I'm not too good with coffee though, to be honest. I do remember one time I drunk it. I was in like 8th grade. Wowzers, chief. And I went to school in Columbus, but I lived out of town. So I was really fucking up. But, I remember I drank some when I was at home, when I drove to Columbus. I was getting dropped off at the bus stop. And, by the time I drunk it out there, it was like maybe a 30-minute drive. I had to shit so bad. I'm not even kidding. I don't know. Because we had 2 houses. We had one where we was at, but someone was, renting it out. And we had one where we lived at. And, I literally had to go wake these people up that we rented the house, or that rented our house from. We knew who they was and shit. They was little early birds too, but I literally had to walk good. I was like, I gotta kill your bathroom right quick. Can't help it. And I'm doing it, I missed the bus. That's the moral of the story. I ended up having to get drove to school over a cup of coffee. Terrible. It's not bad, I guess. It's really, really hot, though. I gotta get a new cup. I don't like using this one just in case anything happens to it. I don't do coffee at all, really. I'm just trying to go different ways about getting fucking energy in this old man body. How's everybody's day going? It's pretty bright outside, looking nice. Oh shit. It's just hot as a bird's ass, boy. I mean a bird, I mean a bitch, not a motherfucking bird. I'm old school. You young motherfuckers gotta get with the logic. Alright, everyone. It's Charlie Brown, Charlie Brown's Excellent Adventures. And this was the Black & Decker 4-in-1 coffee station. I don't know why it says 4-in-1. You could put it in anything, so it could be like 100-in-1. You know what I'm saying? But it's what it is. It's not too bad at all. Charlie Brown says, thanks for watching. Peace out.